Getting paid today. Can you give me that check? Don't ask me why. Senator Hughes just
What's up, warriors? This is the Pissed Off Parent. Now listen, I'm about to go in. No sugarcoating, no polite tiptoeing. If you're part of the equal shared parenting bowel movement, this one's for you, and you might not like what you're going to hear. I reported about a guy in Georgia about a week ago that has been accused of kidnapping a child in the middle of a Walmart. Well, good news, kinda. He has been released on a $10,000 bond just a few hours ago. He spent about 6 weeks in a Cobb County jail on completely nonsense charges. I expected he'd get treated like every other father in this world and he would just get screwed over and that would be the end of it. But whew, was I wrong. The entire Indian community, not just in Georgia, not just in the United States, around the entire world showed up to defend this guy. From California to Mumbai. They came out swinging. Lawyers, religious leaders, politicians, social media firestorm. They packed the courtroom and made damn sure that their brother was not railroaded into silence. They rallied. They organized. They fought like hell. Now here's where it gets embarrassing. I look at that and then I think about our movement. When something like this happens, where's the equal shared parenting community? Where are the activists? Where's the, I'll fight and I'll do this and I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna stand with you? Where are all these groups who claim they're fighting for fatherhood justice? What do they do when something happens? Crickets, nothing, humbleweeds. So on one side, we've got a global community that can assemble in defense of one man that they've never met, but we can't even get 10 people to show up to fight a bill or to do anything for dads that are getting spit out of the system every single day. The Indian guy had people flying in to stand with him. Meanwhile, American dads are getting ripped from their kids, slapped with retroactive child support orders, and buried under false accusations, and the so-called movement is out here playing keyboard warrior with stupid-ass memes. Let me be blunt here. The Indian community understood something we clearly don't. Your silence is their weapon. You let them charge that man even after Walmart footage proved he didn't do it. Prosecutors didn't care, because they never do, unless you make them care. And they did. We don't. Equal shared parenting sounds really good on a t-shirt or a stupid meme, but where's the fire when it counts? Where's the courtroom presence? Where's the worldwide defense when a father wants to exist in his own child's life? So here's your wake-up call. If you're in this movement, but you're not willing to fight like the Indian community just did, and your only involvement with the movement is to laugh at stupid TikTok videos and stupid memes, you're not doing anything. It's as worthless as the TikTok dance for Ukraine crap a couple years ago. We say equal parenting. They said, not our brother, and they meant it. Until we organize like that, get off our collective dead asses, until we back each other like that, we will keep losing to a system designed to profit from our silence. Want to change? Show up. You want justice? Fight like someone you love is next, because they are. This has been another one of my therapy sessions on the Pissed Off Parent podcast, and today we've learned the difference between a hashtag and a real movement. Stay angry, stay active, and for God's sake, start showing up.
Miss the moments that I can't get back. I'm sick of being just a weekend dad.